might as well do a quick video. It did actually come up blue sky here, believe it or not, eh? It was all misty this morning. Now it's like blue. So as long as it's on. Hey Giuseppe, this Mr. Buggy is a happy boy. And then I've got to have a go too. Here you go, mate. How are you, chap? And fucking walk on me. Yeah. How are you, mate? How are you, happy camper? That's a big bug, man. Big happy bug. I've seen one like this before, but not this ginormous, eh? Show Orion. Oh yeah, bloody oath. Everybody else had a go. Norm's had a go, bloody. He's had a go. Everybody's had a go with this bug, eh? 12:54 PM. This place sounds like a fucking nightclub at the moment. Go for a squiz. No one's gone back to the house. Just let us keep playing music till the cows come home. Fuck, the whole shed's shaking. His stereo is about the same size as mine, but I can't get mine running in my little garage because the whole shed shakes. This is actually useful. There's a lot more air in this. Ali! Oi! Oi, 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 oi. Hey? This sounds like a nightclub from back there. Fucking hell.
We just simply vanish and become someone's memory.
Speaker there and a big speaker up there, eh? No, he's cranking. Hey, Giuseppe dancing. Where's Abdul? Where's Abdul? Fucking hell, that sounds like a nightclub. Dancing, baby! Oh yeah, baby! Yeah, brother! Woohoo! Hey, check this out! Oi! Yeah, brothers and sisters, come on! You got more spectators here. You got spectators. One more time, come on! One more time. In there, come on! In there. This is good. This is good viewing. You know, a few drinks this fella, yeah. Abdul, where's Abdul? Fucking hell. And the star of the show, Ali. Shit. What a fucking classic. I'm gonna have a smoke and a drink. Jeez, it's still going. It's a good little nightclub going now. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh yeah, baby! Where's Abdul? Where's Abdul? Check this out. The sheep think I got strawberries. Sorry, sheepy. I gave them to another paddock. They're all fucking chasing me. They think I got strawberries for them, but I don't. You look very disappointed. Looks on your faces. You look very disappointed. I gave it to your brothers and sisters in the next paddock. My apologies. There is no strawberries here. Fucking poor buggers, eh? Sorry. No, tomorrow I'll bring you some, alright? Oh, they're really damaged. Look, I still think I've got them. Sorry. Yeah, up behind the post office here. I just noticed there's all sorts of storage here. Oh, shit. Have a quick look on this phone number, eh? On this phone number. They're just coming out now. I fucking didn't take a video because I took it and I didn't realise I've done this several times with this phone now. I didn't realise that I wasn't fucking recording anyhow. This is a storage place just here in town. All sorts of storage. 9851 2277. Anyhow, 12 metres long, fit 2 cars lengthways in there. Looks like they've added on. You won't be able to get a car in through this way. It's got a temporary fence around it and the slab just drops off. But food for thought, eh? 5:40, get down here, stick it in the bloody shed here, next to the tyre shop, and a post office here with a bit of Kelly art, you see. Yeah, over and out. Get right back to my joint, over and out. Nah, just was it now? Just after 3 p.m. Sea breeze starting to go, me shade cloth's moving, trees waving, but again, the phone did it again. Oh, there's a fly here. Yeah, don't worry about that one. There's not many. It's a lot less than fun. But usually I clap me thongs to fuck them off. But this one, I clap me hands together. That's a fucking pretty looking fly with green eyes. Undersides, not too bad, but I saw him coming. What I'm going to do is I'm going to preserve him. Yeah. See that bit sticking out front of his mouth, big long nostril thing? See that bit there? That's the bit that bites you. I should wedge him in an envelope or something. Try and bloody preserve him. Because that was a fucking pretty good one. 2 claps. That's one clap of the hands, missed him first time, second time. I got both hands and literally, I don't know how I can say it. Hang on. I'll reenact it. Hang on. I've got to. Like this. Fucking boom. Gone. Oh, I don't know, over and out. You never get any flies in here realistically, not compared to the farm. Fuck no, but you might actually want to. Hopefully maggots don't crawl out. It's definitely dead. You're going to see it. He's staring at me with his big green eyes. It looks beautiful too. Still, if I have to play, it looks like a bee, but it's not. At least I fucking got him. Over and out. Hey, this is awesome. Check this out. Hey, Dinkum. Check out this house. Sold. Check out the brick. Little look like 453 Bickley Road, Kenwick, eh? Exactly the same bricks. Was it 1975,
Yeah,
eh?
1975.
75 built. That's a pretty decent house. Sunsets there.
Nice view, yeah.
Sunrise come up there. Fucking, what, 1,800 square metres?
160. 170, yeah.
Skip here, so they're cleaning shit out.
Yeah.
That's not going to move. Like, the house is good. Fucking Jesus. 190, 190.
Yeah,
190. My neighbour, or the neighbour's house, this is a lot better than my neighbour's house. Fucking Jesus. Hey, 190. Oh, well, the system's good, looks good. Fucking Jesus, that's a big damn yard.
Nice.
This guy, you got plenty of room, man. You have got plenty of room. Damn. These get long going. Fucking hell. Probably asbestos shed. I had one fucking barbecue there.
Barbecue, yeah.
Bloody, yeah. Probably, these bits probably ripped out in here, aren't it? Fucking hell. Damn. You're going to be busy, boy. Damn.
I'm always busy.
You always got all this space as well. I mean, that's another block. Is this the same? No,
I don't
different.
know. It's different block. Yeah, it's other block. Yeah.
Fuck. So, hang on. That goes down there. There's still fucking heaps.
Yeah, on the end, yeah. Can you see?
Yeah. Heaps of space.
Nice.
See that the fencing down the back there? My neighbours have still got the old shit fucking ones there too. Doesn't really matter, but fuck, that's almost the same, mate. Fucking mate, we've been there for like 60 years or something.
Yeah.
Fuck, cock, oi, check this out. Oh! They can't get you, can't you? That's easy. I'm the shoveler. You know what I mean? You got stumps here. Easy fix. I can straight shooting too. Oh man, this is exciting. Fuck, that's an old fucking stove, eh? That's an old stove. Yeah. Inside's good?
Yeah, it's not too bad. Yeah, just need a painting. Yeah.
Fucking that's alright. I mean, bloody. Still got bloody fucking sheet metal. Oh, they're thrown out here. Fucking hell. Alright. Oh, over and out. I better bloody turn the video off. Over and out, eh? Might as well get this on video.
I'm sure you got heaps of rangers and
See the headlights reflecting through there. Yeah.
from the dome house.
Yeah, no, it goes same track as it Norm went. Norm got home about an hour ago, eh? That's Norm. Sounds like Norm's ute. That's Norm's ute. Yep. Yeah, that's Norm's ute. Yeah, that's Norm's ute, eh? That's Norm. No. They might have gone backtrack. He's flying around. Our new spot, go to.
Go outside. Don't go here.
He's going back there. Yeah, the window's open. Window's open. Come on. There you go. That way. Yeah, that way. Oh. You're almost there. Down a bit. Down. Yep. Down you go. Fucking down there. Flick him with your hand straight through that window. Oh, fuck. Down through the window. Come on. The dragonfly, I'm not going to drink the flag and dry. Oh, come on. Are you looking at these lumps? Oh, fuck, here we go. His new spot. Fuck, here we go. Alright, no, he's moved again. Out the window. Out the window.
Go down.
He's having a good look around.
He's getting tired.
Yeah. He's, yeah. Out that window. Dragonfly, I'm not going to drink flag and dry, eh? Fucking hell. No, he's got big. He's looking around, he likes the knobbly bits on the roof though. He's not going to bite you, one. Oh, come on. No, he's hiding up here now. Oh no, he's over here. He's here. Don't fly into that bloody thing because you'll get zapped. Come on, out the window. Out the window. Out the door. They'll come right up to you, they're pretty good. Yeah, good call. Open both doors up. Come on. He'll get down. If he gets tired, he'll get down lower, only here. Come on. There you go. Go back home. Better outside than inside. Yeah, I know. Here, land here. Land on my arm. If I stand here, come on. Here. Here. Landing spot, landing strip here. Almost there. Okay. Almost there. Oh, so close.
Oh my God.
Abdul, he's good. He's harmless. Hey, he's just above your head. Nah, he's got a new resting spot up here. He's going to have a rest. Yeah, he's going to have a rest. I know. He's got to have a rest. He's a bit poo-pooed, I'd say. He'll find his way out. Nah, 8:35 PM. Bloody, these guys here. Dragon. Stupid word. When did the dragonfly drink the flagon dry? He's sitting there quite nicely too. He wouldn't want to go into that. He's smart. They got brains. Now, when did the dragonfly drink the flagon dry? Yeah, he's there. They got brains. He'll move. Nobody's going to kill him, and he's got the brains to not fly into this bloody thing, because that's what dragonflies are, very smart. Used to be ones a lot bigger than this, fucking massive ones. Very, very clever how they do things. Look at this. He's on the bloody, his body's on the chain. Sitting still. Times 10. Come on, focus, phone. Piece of shit. It's not that much better, actually. Not that much better GSM, realistically. Wait, smear. Smile the camera. Yeah. I'm testing. Oh my god. That was a good knock, eh? He's got his front legs. I'm learning more every day. Dragonflies, I had one in my place. There's a fly there. There's a fly at the base of him. There's a fly. There's a fly there. A fucking blowfly. Come on, phone. Won't pick it up. Sight. Times 3.7 now. Come on. TGS7 was just as good as their flies here. That's a dragonfly, and he's got a fly, like almost a spider on him. Oh, come on. See a lump on that. Fuck. How the fuck am I going to go up here without pulling the fuck over? There's a fly hanging, sitting on that chain just below his leg. Don't know if you can see that. He's just sitting there patient like a spider. Over and out. Fucking 0.5 now, better get down off this bloody thing. I shouldn't be up there in the first place, but yeah. Over now. Battery just gone 15%. You might be able to walk this way with him, a little bit in the light. There you go, there you go. Yep. Did he buzz in his wings?
There is one wing broken. This one is broken.
A little bit there, yeah.
On your phone, on your phone. No, on your phone.
He's on my phone. Fucking hell. He's on the phone cover. Hang on, I've got to get this, because it is.
No, wrong. It's here.
Yeah, he's here. Oh, fuck. Wait, there he is.
No, I can't fly. No, 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 no.
Oh, he's gone back inside. Oh, shit. Back to the start again. Oh, we'll leave him be. He'll be alright.
Why you do that? Why?
Because they love people. They love. Come on, mate. He's flying. Getting. Hey, hang on. You got big bloody googly eyes on him. Come on, chop chop. There you go. Fucking hell, Well, we got him out for a moment, and then he's flown back inside. Come on, mate, chop chop. Yeah, you want to go that way? No, 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 hang on, shithole. You inspect your gadget. Think you're bloody. Yeah, we're gonna get stuck up there. Come on, let's go out there. Come on. Fucking hell. Almost got him. Oi! Out the window, close it. Quick, 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 quick. Close. Thank you. Over and out. Done. Sorted. This is a hell nice beer. I had a sip. Couple of sips. Devil's Slide. Boston Brewing, Denmark. Made rainwater. Crisp, clean waters. Bloody heck. That is a nice drop, eh? Thank you. You're not camera shot. I love me videos, eh? Fucking hell. That's a nice drop, eh? Fucking oath. That's a nice drop.